was already going to see him. Oh, Father, I want to introduce you to my friends from outer space.
Ah, from outer space. How's that? Where are they?
They're right here, Dad. Look down.
Oh.
This is my dad. That is my brother, Mutlu. These are our friends, Minnie and Manny.
Hello, kids. Welcome. Good to have you.
Hello. Daddy, their spaceship broke and they landed in our garden. They're gonna need to use your kit bag. Can they stay here for a while and fix their spaceship, if it's okay with you?
Of course, dear, of course. My kit bag is in the garage. Come on and go grab it from there. Oh, by the way, invite them to breakfast as well. Run, Mutlu, run. Bring 2 more plates back with you. Tell your mom that we have guests from space. She's gonna love it.
Your ship is perfect, Neşe.
It's not like ours. It has so few buttons and controllers to worry about.
It's our family car. It takes us everywhere. And this is our kit bag. You have our permission to use anything you think can help. But come and let's have breakfast before you start fixing your ship. You'll also meet my mother. I'm sure that she'll love you a lot.
Sounds perfect! Got so hungry all of a sudden.
You know, I think I can fix our spaceship with these here.
You said that you could fix our spaceship last time it broke. We were stuck on the pink planet for a really long time.
It'd be great if you stayed here for a while as well. But first, we need to ask my mom and dad. If they say yes, I can tell you everything that you're curious about.
Perfect!
Why don't you believe me, my dear? Come on now. I'm telling you they were here. Mutlu saw them as well. Tell her, Mutlu.
You are telling me that they are both kids, flying because they're from outer space. Even if I see them myself, I... Huh? What? Oh.
Are you okay, Mommy?
Are you okay, my dear?
I'm fine. I mean, I guess. What happened?
Oh, nothing to worry about.
My mom was really shocked when she first saw you. Look, Mom, these are my new friends from outer space.
Nice to meet you both. You're so cute, you know that?
Mommy, Daddy, can my new friends stay here for a while?
No complaints here. I think they should stay.
We can't leave our guests outside. We'll arrange some space right away.
Yeah, where are they gonna stay?
How about the treehouse there in the garden?
Perfect idea. We officially welcome you to our home.
Yippee! That's great!